In here, and welcome to my vlog. And this one's going to be Project Chevy because I've just gotten the Malibu back. And the thing is, well, now I had the Malibu because the daughter now has her own vehicle back after being suspended for a little over 4 months because she didn't get her insurance paid. So hopefully that doesn't happen again. But I noticed when I was driving it, she didn't mention that the check engine light had come back on. And it didn't. So I'm going to check it real quick here and see what my statuses are and see if we have a go on everything so I can take it to the garage and get it inspected. So let's see what we got. I'm gonna go ahead and drive this for a while because it's got some issues and I want to figure them out. And then once I figure them out, then I'm gonna go ahead and put the plates from this on my Mustang. Now what's important thing is to see if this thing is ready. I'm going to see if I start this up again real quick because it's been going through the scenario of you start it once, you drive it, and then when you shut it down it won't start again. Oop, it did. It started to, but then it didn't. Guess what? She's not going to start. Whoop, I'm lying. Sweet. And like you can see, I have no engine lights except, you know. Now that's something that's got me too, is my tack is not functioning correctly. But it shut down. See if it'll start back up again one more time. Now I got a puff and then it wouldn't start. Nothing. Running and running. Yeah, I've got a weak starter too. Now you see the tack's not coming. There, run. It did start. The tack's out again. She's got some issues. 132,000 miles on it. And it's a 90. See, now it dropped out again. What is causing that? Got something loose. I don't know if it's behind the dash. Alright. Alright, that's good for the moment. I don't know. Always something. Okay, let's get this thing reading. Get the key turned on here. Okay, let's go. Let's see. I'm using the new codes. Mill up. And one more time, I want to know the monitor. Misfire's ready. Okay, down again. Fuel's ready. Catalytic not ready. Evap system is ready this time. Second air applicable. O2 sensor is ready. And H sensor HV. Everything is ready except the cat. AC refrigeration. VAP is ready. Catalyst not ready. Not exactly sure what that's meaning. But I'm going to get it over to... I don't know whether I had that on or not. But let's see. If I didn't, I will go back down through it. It says catalyst not ready. But evap system is ready where it wasn't ready the other day. Second air, not applicable. Oxygen sensor was not ready the last time. And it is this time. HV, EGR is actually ready this time. So everything is ready this time around except the catalyst. Everything is ready except that. And I don't know if that's going to make a difference. I'm going to call them on Monday and see. So, let's see. Let's go up for codes. Go back up. Codes. Crank. Still got that crank sensor, but I don't have a check engine light. That's weird. Okay, so I've got a crank sensor still. One. I just got the one. Is that crank sensor? Just said that right. Circuit out of range. Crank position sensor. Bank 1. I don't know. I gotta look at the thing. Sensor A circuit. Out of range. So I'll have to see. But this is totally different from the rest of them. So anyway, puts out and then dies. That's really low on the RPM. Smell. I'm wondering if I got a plugged catalytic, because it's awful gaseous underneath. It's starting. Huh. I don't know. She has some issues. But anyway. Good enough. Alright. But at least it's home. FedEx? 4? Oh, okay. Alright. Well, at least it's home. And it's off the road till I can fix it, because she's been driving on the 10-day and then no 10-day without the inspection, and she gets stopped and she'll get a hassle from the highway patrol. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and pass it on. How you doing? Pretty good. How you doing? Working late, huh? And don't forget to share and continue on with this one and see what transpires.